Hello again. In this section I would like to introduce how to download Visual Studio 2019 and SQL Server 2012 to use in the course. First, we can go to google.com and click on Download Visual Studio 2019. Of course, under Microsoft website, you can click on Download Visual Studio. You will have to see Community and Professional and Enterprise services. I prefer to install Community because it's a free download and it's free. And if you want to try to test the Professional and the Enterprise, you can free trial for 1 month. But the free download of the Community license is more than enough. So you can click on free download and then install the Visual Studio.NET 2019. Regarding the SQL Server, you can do the same steps. Go to google.com and then download SQL Server 2012 and you can press enter, and here you can install Microsoft SQL Server 2019, either Express or the full version of the SQL Server 2019.